What's up, guys? Welcome back to Key Finds, your go-to spot for uncovering the best deals and hidden gems from across the globe. Today, I'm showing you the ultimate life hack for international shopping. How to finally turn that Taobao app into English so you can shop like a pro. Let's dive right in. Want to shop on Taobao but can't read Chinese? Let's switch the app to English in under a minute. Start by opening your Taobao app and tapping the My Taobao icon, the little person in the bottom right corner. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right to open your settings. Scroll down until you see the menu for country, region, language, and currency. It's usually labeled with Guojia DQR. This is the secret part. Taobao only offers English in specific regions. Tap the top option for country region and select Singapore or Hong Kong. Once that's set, go back and tap language, or Yuans. You should now see English as an option. Select it and hit the orange button to confirm. The app will refresh and your menus and product titles are now in English. Just remember, text inside images and customer reviews will stay in Chinese, so keep a translator app handy. Happy shopping!
Living life